Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in to another Watson Brothers video. Beautiful day here up at Quail Ridge. It's 544 acres. Within that is 3069 Quail Crescent, the home we're speaking about today. Ian and I love that one because it is the desirable rancher. It's got the walkout basement. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's perfect for a couple. It's perfect for a couple maybe with a child. The really nice part is that the upstairs and a portion, maybe about half of the downstairs, fully finished, is for the owners. But there's a one-bedroom suite in there as well, which is a great mortgage helper. So let's say in this day and age, insurances are getting tougher. If you're a traveler, a snowbird, it's great because you've got somebody in your house 365 days a year. It's got a tile roof. It has got nice stucco, flat parking, which isn't always the case, and extra parking too. The backyard faces west. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon suns for the barbecue deck. And then when it comes time to enjoy the community, well, you've got walking trails, you've got cycling trails, bird watching, 36 holes of golf right at your doorstep. You need to go to UBCO, you need to go to the airport, you need to go to the wine, cold beer store. It's all right next door. Starbucks, Nestor's Market is coming in the spring. You've got the airport expansion always helping out. So for a great deal, in a great neighborhood, with a great floor plan, sounds pretty great to me, give us a call. We'd love to show you inside. This is one of those plans that I honestly think is not going to last, and it's just been listed on this sunny Thursday afternoon. 250-712-2222 for a look, and we'll see you next time.